Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows computer. Taking a screenshot is a super easy task to perform, and there are two ways in which you can do it. The first is by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. It's typically located on the top right of your keyboard and says PRT space SCR. When you click that button, a screenshot will be taken. Now to view and save the screenshot, go into the Windows Start bar, type in Paint, and open the Paint application. Now from Paint, if you hold down the Ctrl and V keys on your keyboard, the image will be pasted. Or you can click on the paste icon located on the top left of the application. Once you've pasted the image, you can save it by clicking on the File, Save As, then selecting the folder destination on your computer where you'd like to have the screenshot saved to, and then clicking Save. The second option to take a screenshot and save it is by going into the Windows Start bar and typing in Snipping and opening the Snipping tool application. Once the Snipping tool opens up, you can click on the New button and then holding down the left click on your mouse and then dragging it around the selected area, you're able to take a screenshot. Once you've selected the area you wish to take a screenshot of, a preview of the image will be displayed. From here, you can click on File, Save As to save your screenshot, or you can click on the New button to retake your screenshot. And it's as simple as that. Taking a screenshot on your computer is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.